fruit eaters with blood on their bills. The local gang of pied hornbills. For a bird that mostly eats fruit, the hornbills seem unusually interested in the bats. What exactly is he doing? Could he be hunting? He is. He's trying to catch one. This is unheard of. These are birds with giant beaks for picking off fruit, not bats in flight. But once in a while, even amateurs strike lucky. A completely new behavior, never recorded here before.